Yeah, before working with TaxValet, our sales tax situation was a mess. We didn't really have, like, we had no idea we were compliant. We had no idea which states we owed taxes in. And for the first 4 months, we actually didn't collect sales tax in many states that we were supposed to. So, like, when going with the software, I was like, I still had to be involved. I still had to do it my way. And I was like, I don't know anything about sales tax. I'm very likely to mess something up as I'm doing it. So, like, I'd rather just have somebody who does it for a living handle it than a software, which I still have to kind of go through. I've given the sales tax work to my CPA. I was like, hey, can you and your firm handle this? But when my CPA and his team were doing my sales tax, I was spending way more time on it than I'd even wanted to. And then they're like, man, this is too hard. So we're going to go find someone for you. So then they found TaxValet and they recommended TaxValet to me. I met with the team, understood the process, and realized like this is literally, like, as it's in the name, it's a valet service for tax. And this is kind of what I was looking for, because I told them, I'm looking for a service where I don't have to think about sales tax. Working with TaxValet has been a blessing, like, overall, when it comes to sales tax. I don't really think about it much. That's the best part, because I mean, we considered using TaxJar, Avalara, and all those other software tools. But even with those, you still need internal resources to think about it and spend time on sales tax just to get things out. Essentially, we get handheld throughout the process. So we don't have to do a lot of thinking per se when it comes to sales tax, which is kind of very nice. So my recommendation, and I use sales tax for our business, my recommendation for everyone would be TaxValet.